Make every job application count with JobQuest. You can sign up on JobQuest for free and enjoy a 1-week paid features trial. No credit card is required. Today, we'll be choosing Job Match Score, our standout feature. Start by uploading an existing resume and copying and pasting a job description from LinkedIn. Job Match Score measures how well your resume matches the job description. Here is an overview of how your resume stacks up against the job. Open these sections to see a breakdown of your resume. Notice all the red bullet points. Those are all the qualifications your resume is missing. This is why the job match score is also low, at 62. To improve your chances of securing an interview, you should tailor your resume with AI customization. In the blink of an eye, your score jumps to 96 in seconds, perfectly tailored for the job, which is impressive. Any job match score above 75 means that your resume is a good fit for the job description. Here, you can preview the tailored resume to see the updates. If you are unhappy with the results, you can edit your resume using our super editor to fine-tune details and remove or add sections, such as adding or removing certificates from your resume. Finally, select an ATS-friendly resume format from our templates. Once you are satisfied with the new resume, download your updated resume. This is how an ATS-friendly resume looks that is tailored and customized by JobQuest. Knowing how well your resume matches a job description is that simple.